Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Before I get started, from a disclosure perspective, I do want to note that I am long Litecoin, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, definitely last week, and I want to kind of just illustrate essentially what's going on right now and why, from a charting perspective, there's really not a whole lot you can say. Now, sure, if you're just day trading it and you're scalping in and out, then this current price action here, where the price is, just kind of been fluctuating up and down, up and down. Yeah, this is kind of like a little magical playground for you, those of you that are day traders, scalpers, flippers, whatever you like to call yourself. But as far as big picture is concerned, not a whole lot to say other than just simply channel pattern. Bottom of the channel pattern down here at the support level 170. Top of the channel pattern up here at 235, which recently has a lot more history with it. On several occasions, you can see the price has tried to get above it. Did actually get above it right there, but this is kind of just like the bears playing a cruel joke on the bulls. They let the bulls get up above it, let them think that a breakout was occurring, and then you know the rest of the history. Back down it went from that point. And then once again, relatively recently, the price didn't quite hit it, but got within the general vicinity of it, and once again couldn't quite break through it. So as far as if you want to just kind of a very quick nutshell type version of what's going on with Litecoin right now, it really is just stuck in this channel. Top of the channel again 235, bottom of the channel 170. Take a look at the glass, it's half full though. At least the price right now is much closer to breaking to the upside of the channel than it is breaking to the downside. So yeah, the price is still struggling with it, but as someone, like I said, who does hold Litecoin, I like to see the price up here rather than if the price was down here and threatening, potentially breaking down through the downside. So as long as it stays up, near the kind of the upper half of the channel, so if kind of just guesstimate right there, half of this channel, if you're up above the upper half of it, then at least you're much closer to breaking out than you are breaking down. So like I said, I realize pretty basic, pretty straightforward, but not much else can be said other than, the channel pattern. You got to wait for something to happen. And again, quote unquote, to happen would either be a breakout of the channel or a breakdown of the channel. So yeah, we'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.